Hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na sa mga bago. Hello po. Sa video ko ngayon guys ay pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa ShopeePay. Ito yung mga madalas na katanungan tungkol sa ShopeePay. Unang tanong, how do I get my money from ShopeePay? Paano niya daw makukuha yung pera niya sa ShopeePay? So, maraming paraan guys, pwede nyong ilagay sa inyong bank account or sa inyong GCash. So, ito yung instructions, sundin nyo na lang guys. Pumunta kayo sa inyong ShopeePay wallet, piliin nyo yung bank transfer, piliin nyo yung bank account, then i-enter nyo yung amount na gusto nyong ilipat. Then, click next, click confirm, and then ilagay nyo yung inyong ShopeePay PIN or password. O di kaya, Face ID or Touch ID. Andun lang to guys, sundan nyo lang itong instructions. Next, ito naman guys yung mga bills or mga bayarin na kung saan ay pwede nating bayaran sa pamamagitan lamang ng Shopee application. So, andito yung postpaid mobile, yung mga loads, landline, internet, TV cable, electricity, water, toll, government services, loans, credit card, insurance, education, real estate, at saka memorial plan. Diba? Ang dami. Sulit. What is the advantage of using ShopeePay? Ano daw yung kagandahan, yung benefits ng paggamit ng ShopeePay? It offers discounts, deals, and exclusive promotions. From irresistible flash sales to limited time offers, ShopeePay keeps you at the forefront of the best deals in town. But the savings don't end there. Shopee takes your shopping experience to the next level. So kapag ShopeePay guys yung ginamit nyong pambayad sa inyong mga in-order sa Shopee, malaki talaga yung masisave nyo guys. Kumbaga malaki yung discount na makukuha nyo compare sa COD or yung cash on delivery. Ako mismo guys na patunayan ko yan kasi dati nung hindi ko pa alam gamitin itong ShopeePay, COD talaga ako, cash on delivery. Saka ako nagbabayad kapag i-deliver na sa akin yung items na in-order ko. Pero nung nalaman ko tong ShopeePay, mas maganda siya guys kasi mas nakakakuha ka ng malaking discount, mas malaki yung matitipid mo, at same lang din naman yung pagbayad, dun lang din mismo sa Shopee app kayo magbabayad. Mas maganda yung ShopeePay guys na pambayad nyo sa inyong mga in-order kaysa sa cash on delivery. Next, what is my account number in ShopeePay? So, yung account number nyo guys sa ShopeePay ay yung inyong mga yung inyong mga informations sa Shopee. Yung inyong registered cellphone number. Yun yung nagsisilbing account nyo. Diba, minsan kapag i-deliver na yung inyong in-order tapos wala kayo sa bahay nyo, hindi alam kung nasaan kayo or saan yung bahay nyo, sa inyong cellphone number nila kayo kinokontak. So, yung inyong account number sa inyong ShopeePay ay yung inyong personal informations, especially yung inyong full name at saka yung inyong cellphone number. Next, where can I use ShopeePay Philippines? So, users can scan to pay with the ShopeePay QR code at over 2,500 ShopeePay partner merchants with over 15,000 total branches nationwide. So, ayan, merong 2,500 ShopeePay partner merchants with over 15,000 total branches nationwide. Ayan yung mga pwede nyong panggamitan ng inyong ShopeePay, ng laman ng inyong ShopeePay bilang pambayad. Such as Lawson, Landers Central, Ultra Mega Supermarket, HB1 Pharmacy, Tiger Sugar, on top of existing essential merchants like Pure Gold and Sea Oil. Ayan, pwede nyong gamitin yung laman ng ShopeePay nyo bilang pambayad sa inyong mga pinamili. Next is ShopeePay Transferable. balance that is classified as transferable balance can be transferred to another ShopeePay user's bank accounts or through Do It Now transfer. Ayan, so balances that fall under the category of non-transferable balance cannot be transferred to another ShopeePay. So, may mga yung ShopeePay guys, yung pera natin doon or yung balance natin doon, may dalawang uri. Merong transferable balance, meron namang non-transferable balance. So, hindi ko lang alam kung magkano yung limit. May limit yung amount para pwede siyang ma-transfer or may pasa sa iba. Pero pag sobrang baba lang, I think yun yung hindi pwedeng ma-transfer. Okay? Does KFC accept ShopeePay? So, sabi dito, customers can make payments with ShopeePay via a QR code scan available at the cashier. So, tanungin nyo guys yung cashier sa McDo kung pwede bang ipambayad yung laman ng inyong ShopeePay sa inyong o-orderin sa KFC. Tanungin nyo muna para sure kayo. Kasi baka sa ibang KFC, hindi available or hindi pwede. Ito, doble na. Can I use ShopeePay without verification? So, all non-verified users are required to submit additional information to avoid losing access to ShopeePay services. So, yung inyong ShopeePay guys, kahit hindi siya verified, pwede nyo siyang magamit. Pero, hindi lahat ng features pwede nyong ma-access. Like ako, tulad ko noon, hindi verified yung aking ShopeePay account, pero nakapag-order pa rin ako, nakapag-add to cart pa rin ako, ganon. Pero mas maganda talaga guys na i-verified nyo yung inyong ShopeePay account. Ayun yung magsasubmit kayo ng isang valid ID, magpipicturean nyo yung sarili nyo, and then mag-fill up lang kayo ng mga personal informations doon. Tapos dapat ma-verified kayo para lahat ng features ma-access nyo at secure yung inyong ShopeePay account, pati yung laman ng inyong ShopeePay. What is the daily limit for ShopeePay? So, briefly, ShopeePay users with a premium account has a daily and monthly limit of 4,999 for each, and an annual transaction limit of 59,999. Meanwhile, the wallet size for ShopeePay also stands at 4,999. Can 7-Eleven use ShopeePay? So, cash payment at 7-Eleven is a new payment method offered by ShopeePay. So, pwede guys. Tanungin nyo muna yung 7-Eleven kung pwedeng gamiting pambayad yung inyong ShopeePay. Kasi same sa KFC, merong ibang hindi available sa kanila yon. Tapos yung iba naman available sa kanila. Pwede sa kanila yung ShopeePay. Next, can you use Shopee without credit card? So, buyers can pay for their orders in cash when the items are delivered to their doorstep. So, ang sagot dito guys, yes. Kahit wala kayong credit card guys, pwede kayong gumamit ng Shopee, pwede kayong maka-order sa Shopee. So, pwede nating ipambayad sa Shopee is via cash. So, yun yung tinatawag na COD. Pagka-deliver ng item sa inyo, saka pa lang kayo magbabayad. Tapos meron naman na magbabayad kayo through ShopeePay, yung laman ng inyong ShopeePay. So, meron namang iba nag-order sa pamamagitan ng laman ng kanilang credit card. Pero yung sagot dito, pwede. Kahit wala kayong credit card, pwede kayong umorder sa Shopee. Kasi marami pa namang way. Pwedeng yung ShopeePay, pwede yung cash. What is the monthly limit for ShopeePay? In addition, we are now introducing a monthly transaction limit, 4,999, and a yearly transaction limit, 59,999. Besides that, there is also a balance holding limit of 2,999 for basic amount and 4,999 for premium account. So, sa basic account, 2,999. Pero sa premium account, 4,999. Ayan yung monthly transaction. Ito sabi dito, verify your IC to enjoy the privileges. So, para ma-enjoy nyo yung premium account, i-verify nyo muna yung inyong IC. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung IC, guys. What happens if you don't pay Shopee Pay? Ano yung mangyayari kung hindi nyo bayaran yung Shopee Pay? Note also that late payments can result in, so kapag late yung pagbayad nyo, ito ay nagre-resulta sa pagka-freeze ng inyong Shopee account. Magkakaroon ng violation or mare-restricted yung paggamit nyo ng mga vouchers sa Shopee. Tapos magkakaroon kayo ng record sa inyong Shopee account na late payer kayo, gano'n, late payments. Which stores accept Shopee Pay? So, ito yung ilan sa mga stores, guys, na tumatanggap ng Shopee Pay bilang pambayad sa kanilang mga pinamili like Family Mart, Black Whale, Old Town White Coffee, at meron pang iba. Do you need a bank account for Shopee Pay? You don't need to add a bank account to use Shopee Pay. So, hindi nyo na kailangan, guys, magdagdag ng bank account para makagamit ng Shopee Pay. So, maglagay lang kayo ng cash sa inyong Shopee Pay sa pamamagitan ng inyong GCash balance. Yan, pwede na yon. Hindi kailangan ng bank account. What is the purpose of Shopee Pay? So, yung purpose ng Shopee Pay, guys, para it allows users to pay for goods without requiring bank cards or cash. So, yung purpose ng paggamit ng Shopee Pay, guys, hindi na natin kailangang maglabas ng cash or ng bank account kasi andun na mismo yung laman ng ating Shopee Pay, pambabayad na lang natin yon, paprocess na lang natin. Ang Shopee Pay, guys, ito ay digital wallet within the Shopee app. So, digital wallet siya na nasa loob ng Shopee application. Ginagamit ito sa pagbayad, mapa-online man or offline purchases. And this feature allows buyers to create and pay for their orders. Ayan, so, yun na nga, yung Shopee Pay natin, yung laman ng ating Shopee Pay ay pwede nating gamiting pangbayad, hindi lang sa ating mga in-order, guys, pati na rin sa ating mga bayarin, yung mga bill na sinabi ko kanina. Then, ito naman yung mga, sabi dito, all non-verified users ay required to submit. Mag-submit kayo ng mga additional informations, yung mga hindi pa verified yung kanilang Shopee Pay account. Then, ito naman yung mga limit to, guys. Monthly limit. So, ito. Kapag non-verified kayo, yung inyong monthly limit lamang ay 50,000. Yan. Ito yung starting July 14, 10,000 lang. Then yung ngayong current, 50,000. Pero, kung fully verified kayo, mas malaki yung limit na pwede nyong mailagay, which is 100,000 pesos. Ito naman, monthly outflow. Yung kanina, monthly inflow limit. Ito naman, monthly outflow limit. So, yung current niya, wala. Pero yung starting pa lang, 10,000. Iba talaga, guys, kapag verified or fully verified yung inyong Shopee Pay account kasi malaki yung amount na pwede nyong malagay. Wallet balance naman, 50,000 lang kung hindi verified yung pwede nyong malagay sa inyong Shopee Pay. Pero, kung fully verified kayo, 100,000 yung pwede nyong mailagay. What are the benefits of verifying Shopee Pay? Ang kagandahan, guys, kung verified yung inyong Shopee Pay, ma-access nyo lahat ng mga features at saka yung mga functions ng inyong Shopee Pay wallet. Then, it is safe to pay in Shopee Pay. Yes, guys, yung Shopee Pay ay safe. So, with a thorough account verification process and digital security measures such as your Shopee Pay PIN. Meron tayong PIN sa Shopee Pay eh. Tapos, kaya nga tayo pinapa-verified para mas madagdagan pa yung security ng ating Shopee Pay account. How does Shopee Pay work? Shopee Pay is a digital wallet within the Shopee app. It is used to pay for online and offline purchases. It allows buyers to create and pay for their orders via a linked CBank account. So, ayun, yung Shopee Pay, ginagamit siya pambayad sa ating mga bayarin or mga binili. Is Shopee Pay worth it? Yes. Shopee Pay is worth using because most of the time, you can probably find a decent voucher to use that will earn you cashback or give you a discount. Yes guys, kapag Shopee Pay yung ginamit nyong pangbayad sa inyong mga in-order sa Shopee, malaki yung chance na marami kayong makuhang vouchers. Malaki yung madi-discount nyo guys. Tapos may iba, may cashback pa kayong makukuha. Sa Shopee Pay lamang yan. Shopee Pay serves as a digital wallet. Magagawa nyo dito, online purchases kayo, conduct offline payments, transfer or receive payments among your contact, and withdraw funds to your bank account. Yan. Ito yung mga benefits guys ng Shopee Pay na pwede nyo magamit or ma-enjoy. Convenient shopping. The mobile wallet provides a more seamless shopping experiences to online shoppers. Online security features, withdraw money, transfer money, pay bills, buy load and data, use your phone to pay at physical stores, access exclusive promos and vouchers. So ayun na nga, pwede kayong mag-withdraw ng pera, mag-transfer ng pera, magbayad ng mga bayarin, bumili ng load or data, gamitin yung inyong phone pambayad sa mga physical stores. Yung laman ng ating Shopee Pay, pwede nating pambayad sa ating mga binili sa mga physical stores. Then, exclusive tayo makakakuha doon ng mga promos, vouchers, and discounts. Yun na nga, kailangan nyo i-verify guys yung inyong Shopee Pay account para ma-secure monetary yung inyong mga transactions at yung inyong mga personal na mga informations. So, ito na nga yung sinabi ko kanina, yung kagandahan ng verified yung inyong Shopee account, malaki yung mailalagay nyo sa inyong Shopee Pay wallet. So, kung non-verified kayo, hindi lahat ma-access nyo. Like, hindi kayo makakasend ng money, hindi kayo makakapag-bank transfer kung hindi pa kayo verified. While as kung verified kayo, lahat ma-access nyo at mas malaki pa yung amount. Like, inflow limit, outflow limit, wallet balance, pay on Shopee, scan to pay, buy load, pay bills, send money, and bank transfer. So, ayun lamang guys, yung aking video sa ngayon na tungkol sa mga kadalasan tinatanong tungkol sa Shopee Pay. Sana after nyo ito mapanood ay nabigyan ko kayo ng idea or nadagdagan yung idea nyo tungkol sa Shopee Pay. At kung meron kayong mga katanungan guys, ay i-comment nyo na lang sa baba. At pa-favor na lang po ako guys na sana po ay huwag niyong kalimutang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, at pakiclick na lang din po ng bell sa gilid para kapag meron akong bagong upload na mga informative videos ay ma-update at ma-notify kayo. And always remember guys, let's not only live for money. Let's live for things that truly matter, like love, family, peace, and serve of community. Ayun lamang po yung aking video sa ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. God bless!